you're self-employed, how much income do you need to claim on your federal income taxes to qualify for a home loan? Stop. The income claimed on your tax returns does not matter. I'm Chad Baker, and this is the fine print. A bank statement loan is a mortgage product unique to a self-employed borrower. Some of the program highlights are pretty legit. If you've been self-employed for 2 years, then this product is for you. You don't have to use this program, but let me tell you why you should. A salaried employee making $150,000 a year will pay over $72,000 to the federal government over 2 years. In contrast, a self-employed individual is allowed to deduct their business expenses, which will significantly minimize federal income tax liability. Now that's a problem for a traditional home loan, but not for a bank statement program, because the review of your federal tax returns, not even a requirement. Here's how we determine your income. We're gonna take 12 months of your deposits, apply an expense factor based on the number of employees, divide that by 12, that's your income and qualify. You're gonna have some questions, so send me a message, give me a call, and we'll go through the fine print together.